Hi, Julie Miller here at Homestead Financial Mortgage, and today I am here with Diona from Oak Ridge, Tennessee. Hi, Diona, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I really appreciate you taking the time to join us today. I just wanted to ask you a couple of questions about your experience with us. So if we could first start off with what was the purpose of your loan, and then how did it make your life better?
All right. So I would say the purpose of the loan for me. So I bought a very old home and it's got a bunch of things that need to be updated. So the purpose of the loan was to not only pay off some debt to free up money, but also to put some money aside to be able to afford some of those home repairs that need to be done sooner rather than later.
Great. Well, congratulations on paying off your debt, and
Thank
sounds like you're getting
you.
the house all together.
Yes, slowly but surely.
Yeah. Now, Oak Ridge, Tennessee, we're in, St. Louis, Missouri. So how exactly did you hear about Homestead or Aaron? How did we connect?
So I actually got a piece in the mail from you guys,
Okay.
and that's how I heard about you all.
Okay. And was it just on the first? Did we send you one letter and it just so happened to be the right timing?
Yes.
Oh, outstanding. Okay. And then given all the other options, was there anything that in particular made you move forward with us?
Yes. So if I'm being honest, I got a bunch of applications, I guess, in the mail. But the difference between yours and theirs was I like that yours had, a rough estimate of if I borrowed this amount of money or if I refinance this amount of money, this is what your mortgage payment would be, and like the breakdown of the numbers. I really appreciated having that information in the mail as opposed to having to call in and answer questions and then decide whether or not I'd be able to afford that monthly payment.
Yeah, I appreciate you saying that. You sound more of a visual person like me. I like to see it in front of me without
Yeah.
having to actually think about it, because at the end of the day, you don't really have those numbers unless you talk to somebody. So I can
Yeah.
understand how kind of seeing it on the paper before making the call would definitely be beneficial.
Yeah.
And then lastly, what did you value most about working with Aaron and Homestead Financial Mortgage for your cash out refinance?
There was so much. So I am a first time home buyer. I've never done a refinance or anything. I don't know the lingo. I don't know the process. And I just feel like he held my hand through everything. He explained it, on a level that I could understand. He was always there when I had questions, and he kept me motivated to close it out, get it done. Because a lot goes into it. I'm sure you know, a lot of paperwork, a lot of documents. He was always there to, hey, I need this, just a quick reminder. And so I really appreciated him being there every step of the way.
Oh, that means a lot. I know this can be a very uneasy process. I mean, being a first-time homeowner is one thing, but then
Yeah.
doing your first cash out, it's a whole new adventure. So I'm so glad that it sounds like we made it seamless for you. You've got my number, you've got Aaron's number. If you need us in the future, please don't hesitate to reach out.
I appreciate that. I really
Thank
do.
you. Thank you so very much, and congratulations on everything you've been able to accomplish.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.